Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are all having an amazing day and ready for today's video. So I have some Born Pretty PR, guys. We're going to unbox and we're going to swatch, and I'm even going to do a set. Okay, so I've unboxed everything and we're going to get into some swatches. So the first color I have is this Ice Jelly 02. You would have previously seen me unbox I think Ice Jelly 05, Ice Jelly 06, beautiful blue and pink. So this is a lovely green. Just so you can see how icy this color really is. So this is the transparency after one coat. I'll do another one after 2 coats. This is how it's looking. And I'm going to do a third coat. So this is how it's looking after 3 coats. So beautiful. So the second ice jelly I'm going to swatch is Ice Jelly 10. Now this is for all your purple lovers. This is just so beautiful. And that's one coat. This is how it's looking after 2 coats of that ice jelly. Now this is how it looks after 3 coats. If that is not giving amethyst, I don't know what is. So the next color I'm going to swatch is this Milky Jelly 06. This is beautiful. Now if you think blush nails, this is what this color's giving. Very blush. And that is exactly what I had in mind when I chose that color. So I'm going to show you what this looks like. Now this isn't an ice jelly, this is a milky jelly. So Born Pretty have semi jellies, they've got the ice jellies, they've got milky jellies. So definitely check out their Jelly X collection. I will leave links for these polishes in the description box that I am swatching today. And I will be using them to create some nails. This is what it looks like after 1 coat. So beautiful. So this is what it looks like after 2 coats of that milky jelly. After 3 coats, you have full opacity of that Milky Jelly 06. So beautiful. So the next color I'm going to swatch is this Milky Jelly 09. Absolutely beautiful nude. And I think this is the kind of nude that would literally go with anything, any color. So I'm going to swatch this nude so you can see how gorgeous this nude is. Okay, so that's after 1 coat. You can barely see it. How it looks after 2 coats of that Milky Jelly 09 latte. 3 coats later, this is how it's looking. So beautiful. Last color I have to swatch is this Born Pretty Sparkle Painting Gel in Super Gold. I have previously swatched the silver on my channel. Now I've already opened it, given it a little stir. And I have a brush. So we're going to get it on this nail. I thought I'd do it on clear just so you can see, because I guess with black, you know, it's just going to pop. This would make a beautiful topper and perfect for mixing other colors with, because that shimmer will carry through. So that's 1 thin coat. This is how it's looking after 2 coats. Still quite sheer, but you could also build it up. After 3 coats, this is how this sparkle gel looks. Absolutely gorgeous. Guys, here are how the swatches are looking from left to right. We have Ice Jelly 02, and that's it in gloss and in matte. So frosty. And next we have Ice Jelly number 10, again in glossy and in matte, just giving all that velvet rich vibes. Next we have Milky Jelly 06. Again, I have done it in gloss and I have matted the tip, so you see how beautiful this color is. And we have Milky Jelly 09, and again in glossy there and in matte. I've used this sparkle painting gel just to put the definition, because honestly it's so muted you would nearly miss it. And this is how the sparkle painting gel looks after 3 coats. Now it cures without a tacky layer. I did just add some top coat, and that's optional, I guess, for extra shine if you know, if that's what you want, or if you're going ahead and putting something else on top, you're going to definitely need to seal that in. So the swatches are all here, so beautiful. I have some tips already ready, and we're going to get into this set. Okay, so I have some display tips that I have here on the nail stand. Now on this nail I want to have the sparkle gold. I do know what I want to do on all the nails, but I'm going to start with this one first. So as I've started this design, guys, I'm going to mute myself and play some music so you can just enjoy and just literally watch me work. Done 1 coat of the Milky Jelly 09, and I'm going to pair that with this cat magnetic gel. It's basically like a hollow cat eye. It's amazing what that jelly just does. So I'm going to use the magnets to just wake up the particles. I'm just going to do the same on this now. So on these other 2 nails, I want to do something completely different. So for the base, I'm going to use this Super Shine Cat Magnetic Gel. And I'm not using any black or anything at the bottom. So I will do a few coats of this Cateye. Just want to wake it up. That's what we want. That's all we want to do, just wake up those particles. Cure for 10 seconds. Now this is the second coat. Do the same thing again. And just hold it. This is my third coat of this Cateye. So now on this nail, I'm going to go in with the Ice Jelly 02. I think it's so beautiful. All of them are. After 2 coats of the Ice Jelly 02. So I'm actually thinking, why not use the purple as well, because it is a pretty jelly. One coat. So I'm going to do on top of the jelly now, another coat of the Super Shine Cateye. And I'm going to do the same on this one. Just put sticky tab. It's not so sticky. So I'm just going to use the gold painting sparkle painting gel. And I'm just going to go around the edge of the nail. Guys, I have turned some of the lights off so I can show you. Look at that rainbow cat eye. Thank you all so much for watching. What do you think about the nails? I absolutely love all these colors and I put them in a set together, other than that Milky Jelly 06. But everything else was used and oh wow, look at it. Now we'll turn off this lamp so you can see the difference. Now this is with the lamp off and just the flash. So this is how it looks with the lamp off and just the flash on the phone. It can't even